Hi, I'm Patrick Reid from the Adamis Principle. Lots to talk about today. PBOC fixings for onshore. We've got an update on OIS and, good old euro dollar, a bit of dollar yen as well. So the first slide, let's have a look at rates first. This is OIS. What I really want to kind of highlight is the progression of the 50 bit rate cut. Obviously, this is after 25. Lots of desks saying it was too little. Some say too late, not enough. And there was no real, on the press of JPY, it did look weak, a bit uncertain. There was no real firm belief that it wasn't a one and done. So obviously dollar spot lifted at the time, and 50 bips getting priced in. And just look at the progression from the 2nd of August to the 9th of August. We've got an extra 10% on the probability. Compare that to the 11th of July. So that's 28.9, just shy of 30%. So that's something we look at, is the curve of progression of the probability as well as the bips. So just one to watch, really. The second slide is euro dollar. This is interesting because the Italian yields got hit after the re-election, or they call it a call on a new election from Salvini, and just be wary that was offset by Fitch at BBB, which was remained at BBB. So it kind of contained, that's the ratings, by the way, for Italy. It kind of contained any downside. 111.85 is your level. It's certainly a level for us. It's massive, a big fib level, and we are kind of above that. So if that goes, then you got 111.10 beyond that. So just bear that in mind. Probably 112.70.85, looking to take some longs off, some profits for if you're long. But yeah, a little bit indecision there, and euro dollar is very, very tricky to trade. Lots of participants, very deep, and quite slow. So next slide, dollar yen. Yeah, risk off, couldn't really stay above 106.86. It was a fader's paradise for a bit of reprieve on the PBOC, making the one weaker, but not too weak. So in that sense, it was a Goldilocks. And again, we're, 105, the next high for bears. And the final slide, this is interesting. This is dollar, Hong Kong dollar, 7.8500. The peg, the firm peg. We're looking at forwards, and they sort of tell a slightly different picture. At some point, the protesters aren't going away. This risk has not really been priced into the markets. At some point, it will be. So bear all this in mind. Have a safe trading week. My name's Patrick from the Adamis Principle.